Welcome again to the Downers Food and Lifestyle channel. Um, Back again where we're going to be doing the second part of doing the curry shrimp. Alright, so I'm going to do it in this pot. Alright, let's see if we're going to get our ingredients from out the fridge. As we know before, that was already seasoned. I was gonna make peppered shrimp, but instead of making peppered shrimp, I'm doing curry shrimp. So let's get the stove running. We're gonna do it down on the eye. Pop that on there like that. Alright, get that going. And let's get the curry. So we did the Guyanese. We did the Guyanese Madras curry powder, right? And we also season it with the all-purpose season, the Aunt May 13 blend all-purpose seasoning, which is phenomenal and number one. All right. So that was what we seasoned it with. All right. Let's grab some utensils. Grab me some utensils and let's pop the bad boy. Let's get some oil. That's hot, a little bit hot, not that hot, not oh my god, I'm gonna die hot. So pop some oil in there. Wipe this off. Let that get heated up. We need spoon. Alright, so let that get heated up. Show this large burner. Make that heat up. Get one of the wash spoon already. No, we already have spoon in this already. So we're waiting for this to heat up. And from before there goes your curry shrimp. Curry then set to go with its own ingredients and stuff. So now that is, you can see the oil eaten up by seeing the little patterns into it. And it's eating to the center, bringing it to the center. So, yeah. Right, at this point in time, what we're gonna do is burn this curry in the oil. Normally, I parch the curry before, but this one I will burn in the oil. Can be done both ways. Alright. So there was a joke where it says, how you get the curry looking more curry? And the person said, put more curry in that. While the person who was doing it before, they were adding, what they call it? They were adding coloring. And we said, how you put color in a curry? So we ain't gonna do that. We're gonna use the curry. Now that it's burned, we can add the stuff to it. Yeah, so that was the add some water in this. This water is already boiled. I keep my boiled water on hand. Yes, folks, this is shrimp with head on it. So now we're gonna have it single out each shrimp to be by itself so it can get its own individual eat going on. So we're gonna pop this on here and let that run down and do its thing. Alright, so thank you for watching. We will come back again and you will see when we're plating stuff and handing stuff around like I just did the rice just now.